In this video, I'll quickly show how you can best preview your website while it isn't live just yet on your preferred domain. Some custom pre-made sections like this is best viewed out of edit mode. That means it's best to view it on a browser that you're not logged in. To preview the site out of edit mode, we click the search icon and start searching for domains. When you click this domains option, you'll find that there is a built-in domain that comes with a template. Feel free to change this to something that will best represent your brand. For example, I can change this to Bloom Floral and hit save. Upon refresh, you'll find that the domain on our browser is now bloomflora.squarespace.com. Now our next step is to assign a password. To do so, we then again click the search icon and start searching for site availability. From here, we need to assign a password by clicking this password protected option. When we view our site using the domain that we assigned and enter the password that we nominated as well, we will be able to preview the site. To preview a specific page, we head to that page and then make sure we go out of the preview mode by hitting this arrow, and you'll find that it will lead us to the right URL to preview.